This is a simple app that I just created using Gemini AI, and this web-based app is being powered by Imagen 4 model, which is an AI image that is able to create a picture from a description. Let me give you a quick example. Let's say I want to create a picture of a cat with a hat. Let's generate image. And this app will start utilizing the Imagen 4 model to create a picture based on this description. So basically, you can use Gemini AI to create an AI-powered tool just like this one. And you can use the Gemini AI to code everything. And then later, you can create a shortcut for this web-based app on your Android home screen, so you can access the app very quickly. And let me show you how you can create something like that using only Gemini AI, and this will work even if you're using the free version of Gemini. So let me just close everything, and I'm going to delete this app. Okay, let me just click, hold, and just remove the app. Now, to get started, you can open the Gemini app on your Android phone. And we are going to create the app using Gemini. So here, I do recommend to use the latest model of Gemini, or whatever time you are watching this video, but basically just use the latest and the most powerful model at your time. In this case, I'm using Gemini 2.5 Pro. And here, I'm going to be using this AI prompt for creating the app. Generate a simple responsive app that can generate a picture from a prompt or description. It is being powered by Imagen 4 model. Now here, I think I want to mention that you can create app using Gemini, and the underlying technology like the AI model could be from Gemini as well, like Imagen 4 or some Gemini models or some Gemma models. You could use that. So that's the power of using Gemini for creating app. You can create an AI-powered app, but you don't have to worry about pricing, about API key, because it will be taken care of by Gemini. So that's the benefit of using Gemini. Now, be sure to enable canvas. It is very important. And after that, you can send the message. So it will open the canvas section, and you can actually see the coding happening in real time. And then later, we are going to preview the app, and we want to turn that into a web-based app, and then we want to put that icon into the home screen. So this process will take quite a while, maybe several minutes, and I'll be back when it is done. Okay, the app is definitely has been created. Let me just click open. And it will usually open a sort of simple, small version of Google Chrome. And by the way, if it doesn't open, I do recommend to click this play icon to trigger the Chrome browser like this. And just wait for the app to be loaded on the browser. Okay, so this is the result, and you can actually start testing the app. Like for example, I want to create a picture of, let's say, a dog eating spaghetti. There you go. Let's send the message, and just to make sure that it is working. If it doesn't work, you can always prompt AI, tell the problem, and tell it to fix the problem. And yeah, that's the beauty of coding. Well, it's not coding, it is vibe coding. We don't have to provide a code at all. We just need to prompt AI until it gets it right. There you go. So this is the picture, and yeah, it looks quite realistic thanks to the Imagen 4 model. Now, if you're happy with the result, you can click this icon and then open in the Chrome browser. Now you can click on this three-dot icon again, and this time around select Add to Home Screen. Now I'm going to replace the name with, let's say, AI image something, AI image generator, or just AI image, I think. And then you can tap Add. And you can tap here, tap Add to Home Screen, or you can also just tap on this icon and then hold it. And then you can drag it to the area where you want to put the app on the home screen. And there you go. So I'm going to close everything again. Let's close Chrome, close Gemini. And basically, once you tap on the icon of the app that you just created, it will open a browser and will open the app. And actually, the more you use this app, the data or the structure of the web will be stored in the cache, and it's going to be get faster and faster when you're opening the app, and you can start using the app just immediately as soon as it opens. So that's how you can create an AI-powered app using Gemini, and how you can put the icon into the phone home screen so you can open the app very quickly. That's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.